What's up, everybody? My name is Fab Casso, and welcome back to another video. And the date is February 1st, and I'm about to do my top 5, only 5 customs that I have did in 2019. The reason that I waited until February to drop this video is because January, let's be honest, is just the previous year's hangover. So that's why I'm dropping my top 5 of 2019 now. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Yo, before y'all get lost in this video, subscribe. Simple as that. Little red button, subscribe. You can push the little notifications on. Definitely drop a like too. But without any further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so before I get into the list, what do you guys think my top 5 is? I'll give you some time to leave it down in the comments or something like that. So, got like 5 seconds. And on top of that, what do you think? You don't even got to do the whole list. What do you think my top sneaker is that I personally did, that I like the most that I did? I like all my stuff, but my one that I did, that's number 1, is there for a reason. But without any further ado, let's get into number 5. Alright, so number 5 is gonna be my my custom watch. Let me play with the lights right here for you guys so you can see better picture. My custom gold Watch the Throne LeBrons. And I think this is the first time I ever used gold gold paint. And what is that? Oh. And the reason that, geez, these is dusty. I need to wear these more. The reason that these are number 5 is because right when I saw that the Watch the Throne LeBron was released, I don't know, not re-releasing, but the colorway was releasing again for a different silhouette, I automatically knew what I was gonna do to it. I got 2 pairs back there. I have the normal black one, but yeah, this is number 5 of 2019. So let's go to number 4. All right, my number 4 sneaker is, oh, shoelaces is caught. My bad. My Kyrie Irving. Come on, man. My Kyrie Irving. I'm gonna just call these Clover Toes, because as you see, the toes is covered in clovers. He wore something like this open at night when he played for Boston. So I Nike ID'd a pair. Got his number at the bottom of it. You see, we wear our sneakers, so you can't see it that well. And the only thing that it isn't Nike ID'd is the toe box, which I painted. And by the way, if you want to know how to do this custom, there's a video that I uploaded. So I'll leave it somewhere around here so y'all can see and do it yourselves. So again, my number 4 sneaker of 2019 is my Clover Toe Kyries. Let's get into number 3. Moving right along. Alright, so my number 3 sneaker is not even my sneaker. It's somebody else's sneaker. It's Ivy's sneaker. I did it for her. And it's the pretty sure if you've been following me, you know what these are. Let me play with the lights one more time so you guys can see it better. Hopefully if it focus, is the Harley Quinn Hydro Dipped Jordan 13s. And these came out crazy. I think this is the second thing I've ever hydro dipped, but it's my favorite hydro dip just because as you can see, like, the dip came out perfect. And if you don't know, I have a video on these too. I'll link this video somewhere around the screen. You can just click on after this video so you can see how to do this. And that's number 3. So let's go into number 2. Alright, so my number 2 is in the box. You can't even see it, but it's a Fear of God box. And these are, Jesus, I don't know how I get dust on it in the box. These are my Fear of God Killmonger customs. Like, these took me probably like close to 2 months to complete, just because of these had to get 3D printed, the teeth going around it. I'll play with the lights one more time so you guys can get a better look. Boom. So yeah, that's why it took so long to get these finished, but these came out crazy. And nobody, it's probably like one other Fear of God custom video on all of YouTube. And that's facts. So simple as that. And I think mine's better anyway. I ain't gonna say whose it is, but I think mine is better. No shade though, his is sweet though, but mine's better. But yeah, simple as that. My number 2 sneaker is my Fear of God Killmonger kicks. And yeah, let's get into number 1. Alright, and my number 1 custom sneaker that I have done of 2019 is another Kyrie Irving sneaker. Woo! I'm gonna just play with the lights right now, because when you open a box, these things just, this is crazy when you open a box. That should be good. And my number 1 sneaker of 2019 that I have custom is my Grinch Kyrie 6s. These came out amazing in my humble opinion. And yes, I've already wore them. I can't wait to wear them a couple more times. It's not like I'm gonna wait around until Christmas to wear them. I'm gonna wear them whenever I want to, all year round. But just so you guys can see, let me play with this a little bit so you guys can get a better picture of them. Dark crazy in the background, but these came out amazing. And yeah, if you know what this sneaker is based off of, you know. It's one of the things you know when you see it. And yes, doing this is the best Kyrie 6 custom that's out there. I don't care what anybody says. Everybody else doing like the Yeezys and all that, but this is the best one. Second best one, because these right here, let me play with it. There we go. These are the best ones. The laces came in today for these junks too, so can't wait to walk through with these. But yeah, these was the best ones. But again, that's my top 5. My top 5 customs that I have personally did of 2019. And again, I'm releasing this video in February 1st, because January is just the hangover of the previous year. Simple as that. Again, what do you guys think of my top 5? I didn't want to do a top 10 because everybody does a top 10 and it's just too much. Like, simplify with my top 5. Each of these sneakers made my cut for good reasons. Good reasons. Like, the Kyrie 5 is the first Kyrie sneaker that I have customized. That LeBron is just, that colorway is just crazy. It's the sample colorway of the Watch the Throne. Those Fear of Gods. That's the most expensive sneaker that I have. Yeah, most expensive sneaker I have ever customized. Those Hydro Dip 13s. One of the first times I've Hydro Dipped a sneaker. Came out amazing. And that's my most viewed video on YouTube. So that had to make the cut. And these, had to kill them with these. Because I already knew everybody was going to be doing the basic Yeezy colorways. So I had to step out. And that's it. Thanks you guys. Come on now, making me look dark. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking, commenting on all my videos. I appreciate all the support. Yeah, can't wait to see what 2020 brings me, y'all, to the channel. And just like that, I'm out of here. Thanks again for watching. You can follow me over there on my Instagram at Fabcasso. That is all one word, FABCASSO. And you guys have a blessed 2020. I'm out. Peace.